I met with a lake committee recently to explain about the dangers of relying on symptomatic lake treatments like algaecides and phosphorus precipitants that give short-term symptomatic relief, but blind us to the real damage happening to a lake below the surface. One of the members of the committee was a specialist physician, and he eventually said, "It seems to me that this is like a patient who has cancer and goes to a clinic and says, 'I've got a pain.' So they're given a painkiller. A week later, they go back and say they still aren't feeling well and they're feeling quite depressed about it. So they get given an antidepressant. Next thing, they say they can't sleep at night. No problem. Here's a prescription for a sleeping pill. The pain gets worse, so stronger, addictive painkillers are prescribed. You're only treating the symptoms without even trying to diagnose the root cause, the real underlying disease. And the cancer is just going to keep progressing under the radar. And what you're saying is you use bathymetric scanning like we use a CT scan to see what's really happening inside. And you count the phytoplankton cells like we use blood tests to see what changes are happening with the different types of blood cells, because that can be a key indicator of cancer long before it really takes hold. And that's how you diagnose the fact that a lake has the equivalent of cancer and needs serious root cause treatment as soon as possible. And I said, yeah, that's a pretty good analogy. And he said, you should make a video that explains it that way. So I did. It's always interesting to see how people interpret what's happening in a lake according to their own experience once they begin to understand more. Why not subscribe to Lake Logic so you can do the same?